Did you know the average car in the world barely makes it past 150,000 to 200,000 miles? Yet there are engines out there quietly crossing 400,000, even 500,000 miles without a rebuild? That's not luck, that's strategy. In fact, fleet studies in the US show that vehicles maintained on strict schedules can last 2 times to 3 times longer than neglected ones. The scary part is, most engine failures don't happen because of bad design. They happen because of poor maintenance habits. In this video, I'm going to break down the exact pro-level maintenance practices that turn ordinary cars into ultra-high mileage machines. These are the same principles used by taxi fleets, long-haul drivers, and mechanics who regularly see cars cross 400,000 miles. Stick until the end because tip number 2 is the one that single-handedly will make your car last over 300,000 miles. Let's dive in. Tip number 13. Change your engine oil according to your driving conditions. Engine oil is the lifeblood of your car, and neglecting it is the fastest way to destroy an engine. According to multiple automotive studies, dirty or degraded oil can increase engine wear by up to 300%, especially in high-temperature conditions. Most drivers follow extended oil change intervals like 10,000 miles, but real-world conditions like traffic, dust, and heat break oil down much faster. Over time, oil loses its viscosity, accumulates contaminants, and turns into sludge that blocks vital oil passages. Once that happens, parts like the crankshaft and camshaft start grinding against each other, causing irreversible damage. High-mileage engines that cross 400,000 miles almost always follow shorter intervals, typically every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. Another critical factor is cold start protection, since up to 80% of engine wear happens during startup when oil hasn't circulated fully. Using high-quality oil ensures faster flow, better lubrication, and reduced friction during these critical moments. Tip number 12. Select engine oil according to your weather and driving conditions. Most drivers blindly follow the engine oil recommendation written in the manual, but here's what they don't tell you. In reality, your environment plays a massive role in how your oil performs. For example, in hot climates like South Asia or the Middle East, engine temperatures can rise significantly higher, causing thin oil to break down faster. On the other hand, in colder regions, thick oil flows too slowly during startup, increasing wear during the most critical moments. If you drive in hot weather and heavy traffic, a slightly thicker oil like 5W30 or 10W40 can offer better heat resistance and protection. In contrast, colder conditions require thinner oil like 0W20 or 5W30 to ensure quick lubrication during cold starts. Another important factor is driving style. Real-world mechanics often adjust oil choice based on temperature swings. Vehicles that last over 400,000 miles usually don't stick rigidly to manuals. They adapt oil choice to real conditions. Tip number 11. Mechanical sympathy. Mechanical sympathy is the invisible maintenance practiced by the world's highest mileage drivers, acknowledging that the most significant wear occurs during the first 60 seconds of a cold start. When an engine is cold, the oil has drained into the pan, leaving internal components with only a microscopic film of protection. Racing the engine immediately causes metal-on-metal contact that accumulates over thousands of cycles. A pro-level driver allows the engine to idle for at least 30 seconds to ensure oil pressure has stabilized at the top of the cylinder head before putting the vehicle under load. Furthermore, short trip syndrome is a silent killer. If your commute is short, you must make a habit of a weekly burn-off drive of at least 30 minutes at highway speeds to clean the fuel injectors and prevent carbon buildup on the valves. Tip number 10. Transmission fluid is not lifetime. One of the most expensive mistakes drivers make is believing in lifetime transmission fluid. In reality, transmission fluid degrades under heat and pressure, losing its ability to lubricate and maintain hydraulic pressure. As fluid breaks down, it loses its ability to lubricate gears and protect internal components, leading to increased wear and slipping. Statistics show that over 90% of transmission failures are caused by overheating and fluid breakdown. Regular fluid changes every 40,000 to 60,000 miles can dramatically extend transmission life. Clean fluid reduces friction, improves shifting performance, and keeps internal seals from drying out. Cars that reach extremely high mileage almost always have well-maintained transmissions, not just engines. If you ignore this, your car might survive, but your transmission won't. Tip number 9, maintain your cooling system in perfect shape. Heat is responsible for more engine failures than almost any other factor, and even a single overheating event can cause permanent damage. Studies show that overheating accounts for nearly 40% of catastrophic engine failures, making the cooling system absolutely critical. Your radiator, thermostat, water pump, and coolant all work together to regulate engine temperature, but most drivers only pay attention when something goes wrong. Coolant doesn't just cool, it also prevents corrosion and lubricates internal components. Over time, coolant degrades and becomes acidic, which can start eating away at metal parts inside the engine. That's why experts recommend changing coolant every 2 to 3 years, even if it looks fine. A failing thermostat or clogged radiator can silently cause temperature spikes that weaken engine components over time. High-mileage engines that last beyond 400,000 miles almost always have perfectly maintained cooling systems. Keeping your engine cool is not optional, it is essential for survival. Tip number 8, the rubber wall and thermal cycling. Every time your engine reaches operating temperature and cools down, eventually leading to a sudden death failure like a snapped timing belt or a burst radiator hose. Pros perform a comprehensive rubber refresh at the 10-year or 150,000-mile mark, replacing every coolant hose, the serpentine belt, and specifically the vacuum lines that control engine idle and emissions. This is not just about the engine. Your suspension bushings and CV boots are equally critical, as a torn $20 boot will allow road grit to destroy a $400 axle in a matter of weeks. Statistically, a $40 serpentine belt is responsible for more highway strandings than actual engine failures, making this proactive replacement a non-negotiable step for high-mileage seekers. Tip number 7, never ignore small problems. Here is something most drivers don't realize. Over 70% of major car failures start as small, cheap issues. That tiny oil leak, slight vibration, or faint ticking noise is your car asking for help early. Professional maintenance is all about acting before things escalate. A small $10 gasket leak today can turn into a blown engine tomorrow if ignored. High-mileage car owners develop a habit of constant observation. They don't wait for warning lights. In fact, by the time a warning light appears, damage has often already begun. Early repairs not only save money, but prevent chain reactions of failures. Cars that reach 400,000 miles are not problem-free. They are just fixed early every single time. That discipline is what separates long-lasting cars from scrapyard vehicles. Tip number 6, use high-quality parts. Using cheap parts might save you money today, but it can cost you thousands in the long run. Studies show that low-quality aftermarket parts can fail 2 to 3 times faster than OEM or premium alternatives. For example, a cheap oil filter may not properly trap contaminants, allowing debris to circulate and cause internal engine wear. Similarly, low-quality spark plugs can lead to incomplete combustion, reducing efficiency and increasing stress on the engine. High-mileage cars that last hundreds of thousands of miles almost always use high-quality components consistently. Think of every part as an investment in your car's future lifespan. Cutting corners on parts is one of the most common reasons cars fail early. If your goal is 400,000 miles, quality should never be compromised. Tip number 4, drive smoothly. Your driving style has a massive impact on how long your car lasts, and most people underestimate just how important it is. Aggressive driving, such as rapid acceleration, hard braking, and high-speed runs, can increase engine and transmission wear significantly. Studies suggest that aggressive drivers can reduce vehicle lifespan by up to 30% compared to smooth drivers. Hard braking also wears out brake components faster and puts additional strain on suspension systems. Smooth driving, on the other hand, reduces stress on every part of the vehicle. Gradual acceleration, maintaining steady speeds, and anticipating stops can significantly extend the life of your engine, transmission, and brakes. High-mileage drivers who reach 400,000 miles don't drive fast, they drive smart. If you want your car to last forever, you need to treat it like it matters every time you get behind the wheel. Tip number 3, replace your air filter before it looks dirty. Most drivers wait until the air filter looks completely clogged before replacing it, but by that point, performance and engine health are already compromised. A restricted air filter reduces airflow into the engine. Studies show that a severely clogged air filter can reduce fuel efficiency by up to 10% and increase engine strain significantly. But the bigger issue is long-term damage. Over time, this reduces engine efficiency and increases wear. In dusty environments, filters can clog much faster than expected, sometimes in as little as 5,000 to 8,000 miles. Replacing your air filter early is cheap and one of the easiest ways to protect your engine from unnecessary stress. Think of it as your engine's lungs. If it can't breathe properly, it can't live long. Tip number 1, keep your fuel system clean. Fuel injectors are responsible for delivering the precise amount of fuel into your engine, and even slight clogging can disrupt this balance. Studies indicate that dirty injectors can reduce engine efficiency by up to 15% and increase fuel consumption significantly. Poor atomization leads to uneven combustion, which creates hot spots inside the engine and accelerates wear. This is one of the hidden reasons engines lose power and smoothness over time. Using high-quality fuel and adding injector cleaner every 5,000 to 10,000 miles can help maintain optimal performance. In severe cases, professional cleaning may be required to restore proper spray patterns. High-mileage vehicles that reach extreme distances often maintain clean fuel systems, ensuring smooth and efficient combustion. A clean injector doesn't just improve performance, it protects your engine from long-term damage. The bottom line is, cars don't just die. They are slowly worn down by neglect, bad habits, and poor maintenance decisions. But if you apply these practices consistently, your car can easily outlast the average lifespan and push beyond 400,000 miles. So if you want your car to last longer than anyone expects, start treating it differently today. See you in the next video.